This is very efficient. White toilet like new. Have you ever used oil to clean your toilet? To start our tip today, in a container, I will add 3 tablespoons of soap powder. Then I will add 3 teaspoons of oil. He is primarily responsible for removing any dirt that gets stuck to the bottom of the toilet. If you have this problem, for sure this tip will help you. Now I'm gonna mix it up. Next I will add also 8 teaspoons of vinegar, also very efficient in removing stains. We will mix again until all ingredients dilute evenly. This mixture I apply directly to the toilet whenever necessary. If your toilet is heavily stained, increase the amount of product to apply, and if necessary, let it soak for a few minutes. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Jane Olson from Connecticut. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. To facilitate the application of this product, I will use a spray bottle. Avoiding waste, I will put all the liquid with the help of a funnel. We can already see that the product is totally different from the conventional products we buy in the market, and its efficiency is undeniable. Soap powder is a great cleaning agent, and this mixture will bring the cleanliness and aroma that your bathroom needs. For sure you will have a low cost when doing this tip. All the products we use, probably you already have in your home, and we use minimal quantities. Even this very yellowish toilet bowl, very easily. I can remove all the dirt with this tip. If your toilet is heavily stained with dirt, you can add an amount of oil before even applying the mixture, and if necessary, you can soak it for at least 15 minutes. Then it is very easy, and just applying the product directly and rubbing with the brush, we can remove all the dirt contained in this toilet. I hope this tip is useful for you. Share it with your family and friends, and come back here later to tell me the result you had with this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.